Take a ride in the 2019 Durango. The Durango allows you and your family to travel in style and comfort. It offers more interior room than most midsize SUVs and has an available third row of seating. Underneath are sturdy body-on-frame mechanicals and the option for a powerful V8 engine, and is priced below $35,000. This vehicle has less than 8,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, power liftgate, brake assist, fog lights, front license plate bracket, four-wheel disc brakes, navigation system, heated steering wheel, low tire pressure warning, tachometer. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.